Hello everyone. So this video is about the important questions of Introduction to Internet of Things, or in short called as IoT. So the important questions from module 1 are: write short note on the following topologies, that is star, ring, bus and mesh topologies, and differentiate IoT versus M2M versus CPS versus WOT. Write a short note on various technological interdependence of IoT. Write a short note on evolution of IoT. Discuss briefly about the OSI layered and IPS network model. Differentiate between point and multi-point connection types. Then write a note on IoT network components with need diagram. Then in module 2 and 3 have combined here. So important questions of module 2 and 3 total, like 13 questions are there. You can study like five questions from each module. Out of this, five questions from two and five questions from third module you can study out of 13 questions. So questions, important questions are, like give any four comparisons between sensors and transducers and actuators, explain simple sensing operation with a neat diagram, explain the characteristics of a sensor, discuss typical sensor node in a IoT with a neat diagram, then explain outline of a simple actuation mechanism with neat diagram, explain different considerations required during sensing operations, discuss about different sensing types commonly encountered in IoT, give classification of sensors or actuators based on power requirements and also based on output consideration, give the comparison between structured and unstructured data format, then explain about offload decision making and considerations in processing offloading paradigm, then discuss about IoT device design and selection considerations, explain event detection using an collaborative processing topology, explain about various data generating and storing and storage sources connected to the internet with neat diagram. Then module 4 important questions are: explain the classification of cloud models, what is an SLA, why is it important in cloud computing, what are its metrics, then explain about different types of cloud implementations, what is a sensor cloud, explain its architecture, state its advantages of sensor cloud over traditional WSN, explain the different components of agricultural IoT with neat figure, explain its stages and state the obvious advantages of agricultural IoT, then explain the assessment of leaf area index LAI using IoT based agricultural systems, then explain smart irrigation management system. Then in module 5, the important questions are: explain the architecture, different components and advantages of vehicular IoT, explain the architecture of smart IoT transportation system, that is FOG, FISVER. Then explain the architecture, different components and advantages of healthcare IoT with a neat figure. What are the risks in healthcare IoT? Then explain the objectives, architecture and hardware of ambience system. Then what is machine learning ML? Why do we use machine learning and state its advantages? Then what are the major challenges in machine learning? Explain. So these are the important questions of all modules. So study these questions. All the best and thank you.